Hi there. Welcome to Signature Acting class. Today I will give you a short introduction to the different styles of acting and where they come from, different styles of theaters and the theories they come from, and some people. 5 minutes, no more, just for you to know where acting comes from and where it might go. Performance is an art form that has the power to captivate audiences and transfer them to another world. Whether it's a stage production, film, television show, actors bring stories to life with their talent and creativity. Learning to perform is a journey that requires dedication, hard work, and a love of the craft. I believe that actors are at their best when they are working together with other actors, directors, and writers to create something greater than the sum of their individual efforts. The art of acting is a rich and varied field with many different styles, techniques, and approaches to choose from. At its core, however, acting is about connecting, communicating with an audience, communicating a story in a way that is both honest and captivating. To do this, actors must learn to draw on their own experiences, their own emotions, their own imaginations, use them and bring them to characters. They must also learn to work as a part of an ensemble, building relationships and trust with their co-stars and creative team. The art of performance is a journey and not a destination. And most important thing is to have fun, be creative, and never stop learning. I believe that acting is a lifelong journey of personal and artistic growth. Whether you are just starting out or you have been performing for many years, there's always room for growth and development. One of the theories that we will examine is the Stanislavski system. The system, developed by the Russian director and actor Constantin Stanislavski, emphasizes the importance of psychological realism in acting. Stanislavski's system encourages actors to use their own experiences and emotions to bring authenticity to their performances. This means that the actor must delve deep into their own inner world and bring a genuine and truthful representation of their character to stage. And in practice, this can involve extensive preparation and research, including studying the background of the character, developing their motivations and desires, creating detailed inner life. Contrasting with the Stanislavski system is the method acting theory by Strasberg of the Actor's Studio. This theory emphasizes the importance of emotional recall and physical transformation in acting. Method actors strive to bring their own emotions and experiences into the performances and to use their imagination to embody the emotions and physicality of their characters. And this can involve exercises, sense memory, physical transformation, and character work to help the actor get into the skin of the character. In practice, method actors may spend weeks or even months preparing for a role, immersing themselves in the world of a character and exploring their emotions and motivations. We will see how this will work for you in practice and in an everyday performance. Whereas another influential theory of acting is the classical acting technique, which is based on the principles of the ancient Greek theater. This theory emphasizes the importance of clarity, vocal technique, and physical control in acting. Classical actors strive to create a clear and believable representation of the characters using their voice, body to convey emotions, thoughts, and motivations. In practice, classical actors will often work on vocal and physical techniques such as breathing, posture, gesture, to help them create a believability and compelling performance. Let's see how that holds up today. One more. In contrast to the classical acting technique is the physical theater movement. This theory emphasizes the importance of physicality and movement in acting and encourages actors to use their bodies to tell the story. Physical theater can take many forms, from mime, clowning, acrobatics, dance, and encourages actors to use their body to express their emotions and ideas. In practice, physical theatre actors will spend time exploring movement, working on their physical skills and creating unique and dynamic performances that use the body to tell the story. Finally, there is the experimental theatre movement, which encourages actors to push the boundaries of traditional acting and explore new and innovative ways of performing. And this can involve exploring different styles, techniques, improvisations, physical theatre, and even multimedia events. In practice, experimental theatre actors may work with directors and other creative team members to create cutting-edge and thought-provoking performances that challenges the audience and the conventions of traditional theatre. That was for today. So it wasn't too hard, was it? So just keep it in mind and stay tuned.